Today, I'll be reviewing one of the most cheapest and affordable crypto miners on the market right now. This is a low power plug and play miner running with just only 60 watts of power. Let me show you the unboxing and we'll talk and look over its earnings and ROI. And if you're interested in purchasing a satellite miner for yourself, whether it's an indoor or outdoor satellite miner, then make sure to apply Farrington to the promo code section to save yourself 35% off the purchasing price, and that'll save you $80 on the satellite miner, bringing down the total cost to $149.50. Okay, so let's unbox this satellite miner we have here. So as you can see, when this came through the post, it came packaged very well. Inside the package came the miner and the power cable. The satellite dongle itself came in a separate package for the antenna. But as you see here, this is the power cable for itself. And now let's open up the miner itself as well. So let's open up the bubble wrap. And as you can see, here is the miner itself. And because the Fry Foundation understands the impact of electronic waste on the environment, and to this day, all of the crypto miners that they have been built from repurposed electronics and parts. Okay, so let me show you how to set this up. So first things first, we're just going to need to pop in the GPS satellite antenna device, and then as you can see at the back there, and then right next to there is a Ethernet port as well. So get that connected into there so you have internet on the device straight away. And then also, I would also recommend you guys grab yourself a mouse so that you can set this up nice and simple. And then the last thing that you're really going to need to do is throw in a screen adapter so that you can get this connected up to a computer and finish off the last step, and that would be installing the software on there for yourself. Screen's plugged in, so let's just now press the power button. Okay, so once you have followed all those steps and you press your power button, take yourself over to the fryfoundation.com and take yourself up to hardware miner resources. Take yourself over to the indoor satellite miner, for which is the device I'm using today. Take yourself over to the version 2 download, so the alpha version. Click on the download. Now that this is downloaded, let's take ourselves to our desktop and run the Fry satellite installer. So it's very simple. All we need to do here is just click on next, next again, and just wait for it to install. Now I've already installed this already, so it does say the node.js is already installed, but for yourself you will go through that installation. If you do have any problems with it, just run it again. And also as well, right at the end, you can see here it does ask for our seed phrase. You don't need to pop anything in there at all. That would have just saved on your system locally and it wouldn't have been shared, so there's nothing to worry about there. Click finish, and now the last thing that we really need to do is get our satellite miner registered. So all you're going to need to do is take yourself back over to the Fry Foundation website, take yourself up to the top, and as you can see for the registration, all you need to do is just click on the satellite miner. So from this point here, fill in your first, last name, throw in your email address, put in your Algorand address, and throw in your order number for when you purchase this miner. And then also as well, throw in a image of your miner, so it's just a picture of the miner. Click to say that you're not a robot and click submit. Once you've submitted those details, you'll get a response saying thanks for registering your miner. Please know that it may take 24 to 72 hours before you begin to see your rewards. Please make sure that the wallet you registered has at least 10 algo in it, and that you have opted in to Fry's Crypto, and there's the cryptocurrency code. Now this is very simple to do. All you need to do is set yourself up with ParaWallet and scan the QR code to opt in to their wallet. You'll need a little bit of algo in your wallet to get this set up, but it's very simple to do. But just have a little bit of transparency. As you can see in my wallet at the moment, I currently have 49.77 algo, and then I have 19,000 Fry tokens at the moment, and that's still accumulating. I'll carry on accumulating the Fry tokens. Okay, so let's take a little look over at the earnings and the ROI on the satellite miners. So currently, daily, you would earn 165.72 Fry tokens daily with your indoor satellite miner, and if you have the outdoor satellite miner, then you would be able to earn 215.72 Fry tokens daily. So this is the third Fry Foundation miner that I have received, and as I can say with my honest opinion that this miner itself is absolutely great, very easy to set up. As you saw throughout this video, took me less than 5 to 10 minutes to get the device up and running, and the only thing I really have to do now is wait, you know, the 24 hours to 72 hours to wait for the miner to be activated, and from that point I'll start earning the Fry tokens. And as I say, because I've already tested out and used their other products, which are very similar in the concept of how they work, but as far as what they do as an actual application is completely different. And something I also think is very cool as well, if you order this from batch 3, which currently right now we are on batch 4, you will actually be able to purchase up to 5 of these satellite miners at one time. So that means you can have 5 of these on the same IP address and earning at the exact same time. So that's really cool, and I think that's really interesting, as whereas like if you have the bandwidth miner, you can only have 1 of those per IP address, and just in case you know, it's something that you know thinking of doing, you can't really have 2 of those devices, you know, one of them maybe with a spoofed IP address or something like that, maybe on a VPN, because if you could might end up getting you banned or anything like that. But so if you're looking to get more of these devices, then for sure look at the satellite miner, as you can have up to at least 5 of those inside the same address, which I think is pretty cool. Right, I also want to say a big thank you to the Fry Foundation for sending out today's satellite miner for me to do a review on it. Really appreciate it, and I do also love the miner. I love how simple it is, love how easy it is just to set it up and leave it there to make yourself some Fry token. And also as well, the last reminder for you guys, don't forget to throw Farrington into the promo code section. Save yourself 35% off your purchasing price for your satellite miner or any of the Fry Foundation's products. As you can see here, for the indoor satellite miner you would save $80.50, and with that type of saving it's going to make your return on investment so much more quicker, and also at the same time maybe free up some more room so that you can potentially buy yourself 1 or 2 miners at the exact same time. Now I also want to give out some of the Fry tokens that I do have at the moment, so for those of you that are still watching the video all the way through, then make sure to leave your algo address that you've used for your miner, or even if you don't have a miner yet, leave your algo address down in the comment section. Make sure that you have set yourself up to receive Fry tokens, and I will pick 1 comment and I'll send out 5,000 Fry tokens to one of you lucky guys. Right, so I'm going to leave all the links for you guys down in the description section. Make sure to leave a comment with your algo address, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.